I Achau Sabru, spokesperson of Internal Displaced Person. Today I would like to bring a short message to you all regarding the resettlement of Bru displaced. As per an agreement made by central government, Mizoram government, Tripura government and Bru representative on 16 January 2020. The government of Tripura taking all the initiative and select 13 resettlement locations including Belhangsip, Pochummanpui and Kangrai. Bru leader and government official had visited all the locations several times and confirmed by both government and Bru leaders. Meanwhile, newly formed so-called organization Nagrik Suraksha Manch and Mizo Convention raised their voice against the Bru resettlement, saying that only 1,500 families can be settled in Kanchanpur subdivision. In response to this so-called JMC, means Joint Movement Committee, demand that Tripura government rejected some location like Belhangsip, Pochummanpui and Kangrai. Even then, we still silent and accept government decision. No single inch is belong to non-tribal or Mizo land. All the settlement location far from Mizo dominated area. Nothing to fear. We have been here for the last more than 2 decades, but no communal tension was there. It is not there now and will not be there in the future as well. Between Mizo and Tripurasa, Bengali and Tripurasa, of course, there are some personal minor incident. While we are keeping peace and tranquility, this so-called joint movement committee, means Nagrik Suraksha Manch and Mizo Convention, continuously oppose Bru resettlement with no respect of agreement made by the central government. Thousands and thousands gather and did all kind of unlawful and barbaric activity, killing innocent fire servicemen and losing other lives and violating CRPC section 144 imposed to them. Even though dare to attack the government official and armed force who maintain the law and order, this is very dangerous for the people of Bru and all the Tripurasa. Even in the future, our lives are in danger to split into different districts and subdivision. That's why we make strong decision not to move anywhere. We all will live in Kanchanpur subdivision. Thank you.